What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Broken Arrow on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start we would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us a little bit. Now, what we will do, we will search up this game on Steam, and after that we will continue to another website to download this game. So first go to the Steam website to quickly compare the price, and once you have opened the Steam website, we will search for the game Broken Arrow. Now, if you have found it, select it, scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game starts at €48.99. That is a very expensive price for a game if you ask me, but don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is of course search for the same game Broken Arrow, and after that we will select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now if you scroll a little bit down you will see two options. You have the Steam account option but also the Steam key option. The Steam key option is able to add the game into your own account, and if you don't mind to get another free account on Steam, then you can use this one. It's a little bit cheaper, but also a little bit more inconvenient. So the next step is of course select the preferred method. I would like to use the Steam key method, so I select the Steam key option. As you can see, we can already buy this game for just €30.45 compared to the price on Steam of €48.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you can do is buy this Steam key, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam to activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!